Welcome to Product Critique, where we provide you with in-depth reviews of the latest and most interesting products on the market. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the RaceGT 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet for kids, a fantastic educational and entertainment device. The RaceGT 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet is designed with children's eye health in mind. It features a smooth LCD color screen with highly sensitive pressure-sensitive technology, ensuring no damage to kids' eyesight even with prolonged use. This tablet is an excellent learning tool for boys and girls aged 3 to 7, helping them develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. This Doodle board is made from safe and durable materials, making it a reusable and erasable solution. Your child can write and draw on it up to 100,000 times, saving a significant amount of paper. Plus, it's mess-free, eliminating the need for crayons, paints, or chalk. The RaceGT tablet is user-friendly, allowing kids to learn to count, draw, and doodle with the included stylus. It even adjusts the line fineness based on the pressure applied during drawing, providing a dynamic learning experience. The erase button clears the screen instantly, and there's a lock button to protect your child's creations from accidental clearing. This tablet is lightweight and compact, making it an essential travel companion. It easily fits in a backpack, handbag, or even a pocket, ensuring your child can enjoy it anywhere, whether it's on a car ride, in a waiting room, or at a restaurant. It's designed to withstand drops and is easy to clean if liquids are accidentally spilled on the screen. The RaceGT 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet makes an ideal gift for children, whether it's for back to school, birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It serves multiple functions, including doodling, drawing, writing, and more, making it a versatile and environmentally friendly toy. Each tablet comes with a stylus and elastic tether for easy storage. There's a pen holder for convenience. The tablets have a colorful screen that adds an extra layer of fun to the drawing experience. In conclusion, the RaceGT 10-inch LCD Writing Tablet for kids is a fantastic educational and entertainment device that prioritizes children's eye health and creativity. With its durability, ease of use, and portability, it's an excellent addition to any child's activities. Consider giving it as a gift, and watch your child enjoy endless hours of learning and fun. Thank you for joining us at Product Critique, and be sure to subscribe for more in-depth reviews of exciting products like this one.